Today we're going to draw a New Year's
Octopus.
octopus with 8 New Year's resolutions.
Yep.
So start thinking about what you want to do in the new year as you're following along drawing the octopus. Mia, what are you doing over there? Who knows how many legs an octopus has?
Me?
Okay, Mia.
8.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna draw 8 New Year's resolutions. The octopus is gonna hold something that represents each of the resolutions in each of their legs, tentacles.
Yes.
Great, let's get started. We're going to start with the octopus head. And make sure you leave enough room for all 8 tentacles and 8 things that you want to do in the new year. 8 New Year's resolutions. Okay, great. I'm going to draw a head that's very circular but not connected all the way down. Okay, so let's draw a circle without connecting it all the way like this. Kind of like a sideways C. The letter C. Yeah, that's the octopus head. And then I'm gonna draw cute oval eyes again. 1 eye and 2. And a cute smiley face in the middle.
Big.
Ooh, Mia's doing big eyes again. And is your octopus a girl or a boy?
A girl.
A girl? Okay, I'm gonna do a boy. And this boy octopus has a little hat on. So I'm gonna draw a little rectangle, kind of a slim one, a thin one. You can draw one too, or some sort of head accessory. Yeah. And then another rectangle on top for the boy or the girl. And you can decorate your hat later too if you want. Now for the 8 tentacles. So I'm gonna do 2 tentacles going up because my octopus is doing kind of a New Year's hooray. So the tentacles are as wiggly as you want to make them to be. Okay? I'm going to connect this end of the circle and bring a wiggly line on top like this. And then you can make it as thick or thin as you want. But follow the wiggly line and come back down. Yeah, and you're gonna do 8 of these. But let's do one more on the side. One more wiggly up. And come all the way back down. And then, what I like to do is add little details. And what do octopus have? Like the little...
Suction?
Yeah, the little suction cups. So you can draw little ovals or little small lines on their legs, on their tentacles, to kind of show that. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Nice. Yeah. And then you have to draw how many more legs?
8.
We did 2.
6.
Good job, nice math. Okay, so we're gonna take time to draw the rest of our 6 tentacles. And it can go however way you would like. Octopus have crazy tentacles everywhere. Just make sure you're making room for all 6 more. And leave room to draw whatever New Year resolution you have for that octopus tentacle. I probably need to draw it a little shorter for my resolutions. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know if I have space.
That's okay. You can add more in the back like this if you run out of space. Because technically the octopus legs are everywhere.
Yeah.
Around its body.
This is 4, 6, 2 more.
And don't forget to add the suction cups. Good job. Yeah, awesome. Now,
It's time to draw the resolutions.
yeah. Mia, do you know what a New Year's resolution is?
A plan for the new year?
Yeah, exactly. Something you want to do for the new year, like a goal you have, something you want to accomplish, right? What are you going to start with?
I don't know.
I'm going to start with something to do with Pilates or exercising. Oh, and Art Along Friends, you can start coloring your octopus too. Let's get started. What's that?
She's gonna start making jewelry.
Oh, you're gonna start making jewelry in the new year? Wow. Maybe we'll have some of that on our channel. Jewelry making is part of art. I'm still thinking about what I want for all of my 8 resolutions. So I'm coloring my octopus first. Okay, now for my exercise things.
You could do a dumbbell.
Yeah, like you, huh? Actually, I'm just gonna have my octopus hold a note. Pilates. Pilates. That works, right?
Yeah.
Also, a note that says Art Along.
You need to do more than just notes.
Oh man, do I? Okay. I just want to write this one then. Art Along with PC code. What do you have so far?
I have giving a card to your octopus,
Aw, that's sweet.
making jewelry, giving out jewelry that she made, helping kids make their own jewelry with rubber bands,
Wow, there's a lot of jewelry themed.
helping other kids play video games,
Video games. Cool.
making her own purse, teaching her kids how to swim, and getting stronger.
Cool. I have drink more water.
But they're in water.
I know. But it's not about the octopus. It's about me.
Okay.
It's our New Year's resolutions. But you can make it however way you would like. It could be both, I guess. Mine's about me. Oh, I need to eat more vegetables. So there's gonna be a carrot. Do you know any octopus facts?
Well, there's such thing as a rainbow blanket octopus.
What's a rainbow blanket octopus?
It's an octopus with a rainbow blanket.
Whoa, why do octopuses need blankets?
I don't know.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen one?
No.
Where can I find one?
In the midnight zone.
Does that mean the deep, deep parts of the ocean?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Have you seen an octopus in real life?
No.
Yeah, you have. We've gone to an aquarium. They have
I remember
octopuses there.
seeing an octopus.
There was a giant octopus. Ooh, I know a fun fact about octopuses.
What?
Octopus can camouflage.
Oh yeah.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Maybe more cooking.
Okay.
Do you like it when I cook?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks.
I really like it when you cook.
Aw, thanks. What do you like?
I just like anything that you cook.
Aw, that's so nice.
Psst, Honolulu kids, tell that to your parents.
Hey, I guess those are nice things to say to your parents.
Ooh, actually, this is a sponge.
It's a sponge?
It represents making more mistakes.
What does that mean?
If you make more mistakes, you can create something new.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Okay, I have 2 more to go.
Nice.
I think I need to pay attention to our garden more. So I'm going to draw a flower. You can always pretend that they're under the sea too, like me. I'm just pretending that this background is blue. Hard work?
Mm-hmm. Hard work makes the dream work.
Mia's got really good lessons today. I have 1 more goal left for the new year. What do I need to work on in the new year?
I'm doing less work.
Less work? Do you think I'm a workaholic?
Yeah.
That's someone that can't stop working. How about more play then? Ooh, Lego.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put Lego. I love playing Legos with you.
I like it too.
My bucket of Legos. What about listening to your parents? Do you think that's a good New Year's resolution?
It could be.
Is that your New Year's resolution?
No.
No. I mean, you're pretty good at listening to your parents anyway.
Done.
Wow. Good job, Mia. You alright?
Yep.
Which blue did you use?
I used this one.
This one? That was cerulean blue.
I think I'm done.
Me too. Awesome. We have our New Year's resolution octopus.
Mm-hmm.
Do you say octopus or octopi or octopuses?
Octopus.
What if there's more than one octopus?
Octopuses.
Octopuses? Well, we're done with our New Year octopuses with their 8 New Year's resolutions.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for drawing with us.
Bye.